Cool Trains of Montreal, and I got an eastbound CN train here at Pointe Claire Station. So here it is, New Year's Eve, about 3:45 p.m. Second train I got at Pointe Claire today. One eastbound and one westbound, plus a CP. Gons. Oh, the cream colored one was an ex-Wisconsin Central. Norfolk Southern. You don't see much Norfolk Southern locomotives anymore on CN. I used to see them a lot. Especially kind of downtown, St. Henry. Haven't seen them in a long time. It's actually, I think, freezing rain now. But I'm under a shelter, so it doesn't matter. I'm actually at the EXO Station in Pointe Claire. That's the end of the train right there. There you can see the flashing light. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.